Hello everyone, this is Karthika and you are on my YouTube channel. If you want to know how I did this look, please keep watching. So we'll just jump into the video right now. This is my bare skin. You can see there is a lot of pimples, marks, etc. And the first thing that I'm gonna use is this moisturizer by Face Shop, which is a collagen moisturizer, and it is really good for normal to oily skin. So there is a very good need of applying moisturizer before you apply your makeup because it just preps your skin well. And if you are having dry skin, you have to just apply 2 layers of moisturizer, which is like very necessary. So yeah, just massage it on your skin, like just apply it all over your face, neck, everywhere else, and just prep your skin before you apply the other layer. So the next thing that you are going to apply is this sunscreen, and this is by Wow company. I really like this sunscreen because it's really good for my oily skin. It's a matte kind of a sunscreen. So yeah, if you are having oily skin, you are going to need a matte sunscreen. So I'm just gonna dot it on my skin and neck and everywhere else where the skin is just exposed to sun. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it and massage it on my skin. So it is very necessary to apply a lot of sunscreen before your makeup, because if you are going out and the sun is like really harsh, your skin may get damaged by that. So you need a lot of sunscreen. So just massage it in. So the next step is going to be a lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm by Maybelline. It's the color lip balm. You know it really well because everyone is using it. Everyone has used it in the past, and now there are tons of lip balm available, but I just like this one. So I'm gonna just prep my lips also before applying anything on my lip. So the next step is going to be applying primer, and I am using this primer by Purplle, and I am just using it for the first time, so I can't really tell you how is it. So I'm just taking a little bit on my palm and I'm gonna apply it. Primer are really important because it just blurs out all your open pores and it just makes a clear canvas for you to apply your foundation or concealer, whatever you use after a primer. So I'm just going to apply this on my open pores near my cheeks and nose area. So yeah, this you can see the difference already. That see in this side you can see open pores and this side you can see blurry effect. This blurry effect is because of that primer, and it has silicone which just blocks all the pores and makes the surface really smooth and even for you. So I'm just applying on my T-zone. So this is the T-zone area of mine is really oily and poreful, so I just apply it there and just massage it. So next time I'm really confused to use a BB cream or a foundation. So this is a foundation by Maybelline, and what should I use right now? I'm like really confused. I think I should go with the foundation. This will be the right choice for the makeup look. So yeah, I'm just taking a little amount because little goes a long way. So you don't need a lot of foundation. It just looks cakey on your skin. So little is really good. So I'm just gonna dot it on my face right now. And yeah, why I'm taking so long? Okay, just dot it on your face, Karthika. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, finally. So I'm just gonna dot it on my face, and I'm just using this foundation by Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So about this foundation, I just feel like after a while it just feels really cakey. I think I should change my foundation because it's been a long time since I changed my foundation. Yeah, and so finally I have dotted all the foundation on my skin. I am not using any foundation on my forehead because I am using this Stamp beauty sponge, and whatever extra is going to be on this beauty sponge, I'm going to apply that on my forehead. There is no need to apply extra foundation on your forehead because it just makes your forehead looks a different skin tone color after using the foundation on your forehead. So I'm just going to blend all the foundation until it feels like my skin. So yeah, blend, and this is the only way you can apply foundation. So yeah, this is how it looks. It feels like skin now. So the next step is going to be applying concealer. This is by NY. This is a nice concealer and affordable one. So I'm just going to use a little bit on my eyelids because I'm just going to make a base for my eyeshadow, and a little more on my crease of my nose because I want to highlight that part. So concealer always needs to be one shade brighter than your actual skin tone so that you can use it to highlight certain areas of your face. So I'm just gonna dab on my eyelids and set this concealer. So the next step is going to be using this Fit Me loose powder to set my face, and I'm going to just use a little bit of this powder, and using this brush I'm gonna just apply it under my eyes to set my under eyes, and a little bit on my other areas of my face. So not a lot because I have an oily skin, and this just absorbs all the oil and it just makes my base look cakey, so I'm not using a lot of it. So yeah, under the chin area and under my eye and near my nose, these are the areas where I get a lot of oil. So the next thing that I'm going to use is this Nude LA color eyeshadow palette, and this is a really affordable eyeshadow palette. If you are a beginner with eyeshadow, you can use this because it has only nude colors. So I'm using this light brown nude color on my eyelid just to prep my eyelids before applying a really dark pink color. So I'm just applying it on my eyelids, just the eyelid, not anywhere else. So after applying this nude shade, it is looking already so pretty. So now I'm going to use this NY eyeshadow palette I love. So this is a pink eyeshadow palette and it has all shades of pink. So as you can see, I'm using this second number shade, and I'm just going to take it in my eyeshadow brush and tap the excess, and now I'm going to apply it on the corner of my eyelid and just take it to the upper area of my eyelid like that, and just blend all the eyeshadow in and just make a really good color. So you can already see the color. This is looking really good, and I'm going to do the same for the other one. So right now if you see, it's looking a lot, but it will all come together, just trust me. So I'm using this shade number 1. So this is a shimmer shade, so I'm going to use in the center of my eyelid. So I just apply it on the center. It looks so shimmery when you apply it. Not a lot, just a little is needed, so it won't look a really dark pink color. So just a little on the center. So the next step is going to be using an eyeliner, and I am using this Get Gold eyeliner by Blue Heaven, and its wand is really precise, which is what I like the most about this eyeliner. And it is a really jet black color. So you can see this wand is really precise and you can easily make a wing out of it. So I'm just trying to focus on my camera and make a wing, which I think I can do, but I think I should make the other one off camera. I'll just make it and come again. So yeah, this is the whole eye look right now. It's looking so pretty already. So yeah, I'm just loving this eye makeup look. I am really satisfied with it. I am showing you here my lips, but I'm not using any lip product. I know already because I have already seen the footage. So yeah, so I just wanted to tell you guys that I am not a makeup professional and I just love doing makeup, so I just created this look. So I am using here Lakme Absolute blush and it is in the shade of pink and peach. So I'm just gonna mix both together and gonna apply it on my cheeks. I'm not using a lot because I don't like a lot of blush on my cheek. It just makes me look really like I have applied a lot of makeup, so I just don't use much. It just needs to be a little tint of pink. That's all. So next I'm using this liquid lipstick by Lakme and it is a matte lipstick. So I'm using this pink shade. It is called Bold, I guess, Bold. So yeah, it's a beautiful pink shade which goes matte. I already told you that. So yeah, look at this. It just looks so pretty on camera. So it's just a subtle pink color, not a really bold type. So yeah, it just goes with the eyeshadow. So the next product that I'm going to use is this Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. This is a really good product. Many beauty influencers also recommend this product. So I'm just going to use it on my cheekbones and on the crease of my nose and a little bit on my forehead and also on my collarbones. So these are the parts where the light hits and I just want to highlight that part. Last product of this look is this Gloss Me lip gloss by Swiss Beauty. It's a really good lip gloss. I just love this lip gloss at the first use of it. I just am fan of it. So you can see how glossy the lips look. I just applied on the one layer of this lip gloss and it just made my lips so glossy. So the whole look is just complete. So yeah, just love this look because it's so easy to do and it just took me 15 minutes to do it. I'm sure you will be really happy doing it because it's so easy. And tell me guys if you like it or not. Please share this video and also show your love in the comments, and also like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want more of these looks. So I'm just going to flaunt this look in the rest of the video and yeah, you're stuck with it. So yeah, enjoy.